So guys, today I have with me this hair cutting kit from Wahl. I have brought this new kit because my old kit had become too old and it needed replacement. So we'll test this out and I will tell you exactly why I have bought this Wahl hair cutting kit, and we will test this out as well by cutting the side locks. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. So the outer box packing was nice, but when I opened it, the inner box was slightly pressed up. But that's okay. Let's open it up and check what is inside. And as you guys can see, it comes with so many blades, and that too all color coded. This is the reason why I bought this Wahl hair cutting kit, because none of the hair cutting kits come with so many blades. It also comes with a scissor, a comb, a charger, oil to lubricate the clipper, and a cleaning brush. So now comes the moment of truth. Let's start the clipper and see how it works. So the battery has some charge left in it. So before I test it, I will lubricate it. So I will cut the bottle opening and I will oil the clipper. Once I oil the clipper, I will take a tissue and wipe all the excess oil. And my clipper is now ready to use. Now this clipper can be used with or without cord. So to test this clipper, I will cut my sideburns, and for that I will need these 3 blades. It is a 2 number purple color, 1.5 number black color, and 1 number red color, and I will use the comb and the scissor. So guys, now let's try out this new clipper. It is cordless and I have already charged it, so there won't be any wires around and I can do my job in peace. So to trim these side locks, first I'll leave my hair, and the second thing that I will do is I will take all my hair on one side that I'm not going to cut. So do the separation properly. So this is the hair that I'm going to cut. So like this, you should separate your hair so that you don't cut them by mistake. So this is the hair that I'm going to cut. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put this 2 number blade on the clipper. There it is. I turn my clipper on. I hold on my hair like this, which I am not going to cut. As you guys can see how big they have become, and you just trim them off like this. Now once you reach on top, see that you take the clipper in the outward direction so that you will not cut the hair above.
Looks up and down from across the room.
Okay, I'm done with one blade. So next thing is I will remove this blade now, and here I have brought a 1 number blade. Put the 1 number blade and only cut the bottom half of the sideburn.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.
That's it. Remove the blade. Time for the next one. And the next one is 1.5 mm blade. And this time cut only the middle part of the sideburn.
I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date.
So guys, I'm not done yet, but you can see the results. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this scissor and I'm going to cut this extra hair which is there on the side. Now I will go and do on the other side. So the first thing is do the separation and separate the hair which you want to cut from the hair that you don't want to cut. Then put the 2 number purple color blade on the clipper and start trimming your sideburns. When you reach on top, see that you move the clipper in the outward direction so that you will not cut the hair above. Then put the 1 number red color blade on the clipper and cut only the bottom part of the sideburn. Then put the 1.5 number blade which is black in color and cut the middle part. Then take a scissor and cut out the short extra hair which has been created after trimming, and you are done. One thing I did not like about the kit was the scissor. The scissor is a low quality scissor and not that good. That's why I used the scissor from my previous kit which was very good. So keep a note on that. So now for the last step, I will tie my hair now.
I'm so late, you sip wine.
The next thing, wet your cheeks and apply some shaving foam.
I drink straight, don't waste time to my place.
Now take your razor. This is one of the cheapest razor. And the first thing that you'll have to do is put a mark like this so that you know how much you have to cut on the other side as well. Then take your razor and shave it on that line. Once you achieve that line, do it on the other side with the same height. So once you're done with that, now it's time to rinse.
I feel my.
Now it's time to wipe your face. And you're done. So now let's check out the final look.
So catch me if I fall.
So guys, there I have used the clipper and I have shown you, and because this clipper is cordless, it is very easy to use. So if you like to have this Wahl clipper, then I will put a link of it in the description below. You can go there and check it out. And if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out. Until we meet again.